This tutorial will help you with the study guide for Unit 6. So the first one that you need to do is going to be number 8. It says that you got a triangle that is basically dilated. So it's asking about dilations. So it's saying that the corresponding angles of dilated figures are going to be blank. So the angles are going to be what? Their sides are going to be blank. And I'm going to go ahead and give you this one right here. Are going to be similar, because this is the way the test question reads. So you just need to fill in here what their angles are going to be. Are the angles going to be congruent or proportional? And their sides, are their sides going to be congruent or proportional? Okay, so that was number 8. Number 2. Okay, so what you need to do is redraw these figures just like this. Okay, so you've got EDF and KJL, just like that. So you got 10 and 18, and then you got 25 and 45. Okay, so first thing you need to do is write a similarity statement. So you're just going to write the letters in order. So DEF is similar to, just match the letters up. So DEF. And then the scale factor. So to find the scale factor, you've got to take 10. You can either do 10 divided by 25 or 18 divided by 45. Just like that. And reduce it. So that would be it right there. So just reduce that fraction. Okay. Let's see. Number 5. All right. So this one, you got a park that is 112 by 63. 112. Okay. So what it's saying is they want to build a pool with a scale factor that is the same, 2/7. So you're going to add these numbers up. So 63 plus 63 plus 112 plus 112. Add them all up. And then you're going to, whatever you get here, you're going to multiply by 2/7. And that'll be your answer. Okay, pretty easy. Number 3. So you're given that these two are similar. What's the length of OP? So what you're going to need to do is find this. So this is this. See, MP is there to there. So this right here is 10.5. Draw these separate. Like that. Okay, so it's saying that that's 10.5 because that's MP. And then that's 12. And that's 9. So we're going to find this whole length right there. And then we'll subtract 10.5 from it, and that's going to give us this part right there. So you would make proportions. So the scale factor would be 9/12, and then 10.5 over MP. Just like that. Okay, and then you're going to multiply, cross multiply. That's going to, whatever answer you get right here, whatever MP is, you're then going to subtract 10.5. And you'll get this part right there, and that'll be your answer. Okay. So for number 6, this says you get a square, vertices, 1, 2. Okay, so what you're going to do is, it's pretty easy. Just take all of these numbers. So you graph the original figure, and then multiply each of these numbers by 2. So this would be, A would be -14, -8. B would be -8, -6, and then you graph those points right there. All right, 24. So what you need to do, draw these with the same orientation. So we're going to redraw this one like this. Okay, so H, T, M, 9, 6, 15, 86, 42. So now you're just going to go through here and see which one of these, you pick out each one of these for each one of those. So this is anytime that has a fraction, it's going to be a side. So that's a side, and an angle. So you just go through these and see which ones these are. So this is going to be side, side, side. So as you can see, since it's the only one with side, 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 that would be side, side, side. So that's side, side, and an angle. This is side, side, and an angle. Okay, and so that's angle, angle. Okay, so that one should be pretty obvious. They're all going to be used once. So really you need to just figure out which one of these is going to be not similar. Number 16. Okay, remember the x is the geometric mean of 12 times 8. So you're going to do 12 times 8, 12 times 8, just like that. For 18, it's asking for find the distance of Poplar Street. So Poplar Street is, it's going to be, let's see, so remember it's, start here, 12 over x equals x over 22, like that. So x squared equals 12 times 22. So multiply those together, take the square root. 7. All right, so you got 2, 2, 2, 6, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 6, 2. All right, so you're just going to all right, so the first thing you're going to do is redraw these points based off the center being -6, 2 right there. Okay, so this is D, E, F. Wait, E, F. Okay, so you would write down D, E, F. All these points right here based off of this. So for example, D is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is 0, 0. So this would be 0 or 8, 0. Okay, and then you would write down D and F, or E and F also. And then what you're going to do is you're going to multiply each of those by a half, and then regraph those based off this. So all these are basically, you'll divide all these numbers by 2, and what you get, and then you'll have, so for example, when you do D, D is going to be 4, 0. So the new D will end up being right here, 1, 2, 3, 4, right there. Okay, and then you're just going to test for the y coordinate D, which I actually just gave you right there. So, all right, number 12. All right, for 12, you just need to determine the y coordinate of point T. And it says it goes from -2, 5 to 2 to 3. Let me change this, 3, -3. All right, so since it's just a y coordinate, we're just worried about the vertical. So the y coordinate, so it's 4 right there, and the difference in the y is 5. So 5 to 3, so the 5 minus -3, that's 8. And we do 8, 3 plus 4 equals 4, 3 plus 1 is 4, so that's 2. So that means it's just going to go down by 2, so it's going to go 2, 2, 2. So the y coordinate is going to be, so make it of 3 to 1. So you put the point, one of those that's going to make it 3 on the left and 1 on the right. So if that makes it 3 and 1, or that one 3 and 1, 3 and 1, you're just going to put the just the y coordinate. So these are the y coordinates right there. So if you think that's it, put that number. Okay. 13, same thing, except this time do the x coordinate. So -5, -4, 5, 0. Okay, this time we're going this way, so we're going to pick up one of those numbers. So it's 2 plus 3 is 5, and then we've got -5 minus 5, so that's going to be 10 divided by 5, so that's going to be 2. So we're going to go 2, 2, 2, 2, okay? And you pick out the one that makes it 2 to 3, okay? And again, it's just going to be the x coordinate, so it'll be one of those numbers. 4. All This one you're gonna have to redraw. Yeah, X and account code GH. So like that, and then like this. Okay. So it's gonna be D, E, F, and then we write these based on these letters. D, E, F, so H, G, F. Okay, and we're looking for GH. This is what we're looking for. So we got that's 12.25. We got this whole entire length is 34.5. This whole length is 23. And then we've got GF is 9 and HF is 6. So we make a scale factor out of this side right there. So it's 6 over 23 equals X over 12. All right, and then just cross multiply. All right, number 11, last one. So what you're gonna do is you got 0, 0, 1 down there, 8, 6, and 8, 0. Okay. Now A, B. So the first thing we're gonna do is multiply each of those by 1 over 5. Right? So there'll be 0, 0, 1.5. So that would be 12. 1.5 to the 9, 1.5, 12, 0. Okay, so you regraph those. And then what you're going to do, once you regraph those, you're going to reflect over the line x equals 2, which is right there. Okay? So once you regraph these right here, 0, 0, 12, 9, it's going to go this way. You're going to reflect them over this line right there. And so their points are going to come over here somewhere. Okay? And that's it.